Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Natural Home Remedy, the ultimate destination for all things natural and healing. If you're looking to enhance your skin's radiance, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the world of skincare with a powerful ingredient, aloe vera. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you will have all the secrets to achieving that radiant glow with a simple and effective home remedy. Have you noticed your skin looking dull and dry lately? Don't reach for expensive creams and products. Aloe vera is the perfect natural home remedy to give your skin a boost. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Natural Home Remedy. Today I'm excited to talk about one of my all-time favorite ingredients, aloe vera. Known as the plant of immortality for its incredible healing properties, aloe vera has been used for centuries to promote smooth, healthy, glowing skin. In this video, we'll discuss why aloe vera is so good for your skin, and I'll share my personal aloe-based remedy that helps hydrate, protect, and regenerate skin cells to reveal a radiant, youthful complexion. From alleviating sunburn and acne to reducing the signs of aging, aloe vera can tackle almost any skin care concern. First, let's talk about why aloe vera is so effective. This succulent plant contains active compounds like polysaccharides that have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial effects. Aloe vera increases collagen production, accelerates healing, and deeply moisturizes skin without clogging pores. Its nutrients like vitamins A, C, and E further boost healthy cell turnover and regeneration. My go-to skin remedy is a soothing aloe and honey face mask. All you need is 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe gel and 1 teaspoon of organic raw honey. Mix them together and gently apply the mask to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Let it work its magic for about 15 minutes before rinsing. This mask tackles almost any skin issue by reducing inflammation, redness, drying, irritation, and even early signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. The aloe deeply hydrates while honey softens and seals in moisture. I like to use this 2 to 3 times per week, and my skin feels incredibly refreshed and renewed every time. So give aloe vera a try if you want brighter, smoother skin the natural way. Taking good care of your skin doesn't need expensive serums and products. Instead, let nature help glow you up. Let me know in the comments below if you want more aloe vera skin care recipes. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural home remedies every week. Thanks for watching.